Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to shoot. Open Dazz Cam and give it permissions, then pick a film preset that matches the mood you want. Next, set the aspect ratio and enable the grid so composition is precise. Make sure to tap to lock focus and drag exposure to balance highlights. Once done, frame your subject using the rule of thirds and hold your device steady. Use a short burst or a tripod for cleaner frames. Take one test shot and note how the filter handles skin tones and highlights. Now refine the look. Open the editing sliders and increase or decrease grain to add texture, then layer light leaks sparingly so they read as intentional. Use the temperature and tint controls to warm or cool skin tones. A slight warm shift often feels nostalgic. Once adjusted, compare lenses if available, portrait mode for shallow depth, wide for context. Make small changes and preview at full screen. This helps you see how light leaks and vignettes interact with faces and background details. Finalize by exporting at the highest quality and saving a duplicate so you can re-edit later. Before export, do a final crop or straighten to remove distracting edges and confirm the frame feels balanced. If highlights clip or colors look off after export, revert to your original and retry with reduced exposure or less aggressive temperature shifts. Alternatively, reapply the preset then tweak one slider at a time. If the app crashes, clear cache or reinstall. Most issues clear, and your presets remain intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.